Hello. Well, today you find me at Gibraltar Point near Skegness in Lincolnshire. It's a National Trust Nature Reserve, and basically up here on holiday, thought I'd have a look and sample some of the wildlife. So yeah, hope you enjoy the film. There's a reed warbler in there. The dog will shut up huffing. Right down here somewhere. So he's in there somewhere. Yeah, those are old World War II anti-tank blocks. Ah. By the look of it. Another bit of local coastal defences there. Obviously World War II pillbox. Actually being reclaimed by nature, which is nice. Found this lovely little campion and lots of wild yellow rattle. Beautiful. Excuse the dog huffing in the background. I've just zoomed in as much as I can on this phone camera. There's a pied wagtail. You can just see him sat over there. If he's going to fly off. There he goes. Oh, there we go. I'm now officially a member of the Latches and Locks Club. No latch, but there is a lock. Which really, there you go. Lovely little flowers. There we go. There's our good old friend the elder, Sambucus nigra. Elder flowers are just coming out now. And these are lovely, picked fresh like this. And made with cordial. Or even better, elderflower champagne. If you've never tried elderflower champagne, you've never lived. It's bloody gorgeous. And of course later in the year they produce these lovely purple berries which make an absolutely fantastic wine as well. We may have a go at that later in the year. Yeah, there's your elder. Lovely plant. Lovely bit of purple vetch. Focus on it. There you go. Nice colour that. Loads of daisies. Yeah. Sit here and make me a daisy chain. Nah, I don't think so. We have wild cow parsley, also known as chervil, wild chervil. Young leaves apparently have a sort of quite an aromatic taste, not dissimilar to aniseed. The only trouble with that is it can be confused with hemlock, and obviously if you eat hemlock, that's it, it's game over. So personally I would avoid it at all costs. It's just not worth the risk. There's another little orchid there. It's a beautiful little thing. There you go. Close up, whether this will focus on it or not I don't know. Let's have a look. There we go. Gorgeous thing. And there's loads of yellow rattle all the way around here. Proper meadow, aren't that? Absolutely lovely. Oh, there we go. Focus on it. There, you can see it better now. There. How about that? Gorgeous, isn't it? Lovely yellow flag irises all the way around this little bit here. So it's been cut out, or this is an old peat excavation. I don't know. I can imagine it probably is. See where they used to dig peat out for fuel. It's a lovely little nature habitat now. Gorgeous. The motion of the rushes with the wind catching them. Of course, as soon as I say that, the wind dies down. Beautiful, isn't it? Windy, isn't it? Lovely specimen of a dog rose there. And apparently you can use the flower petals for potpourri. I don't know whether you get much scent off them. More importantly, they have rose hips later in the year. Those lovely big red hips that grow from where the flower buds were, where the flowers were. Great source of vitamin C. Useful little hedgerow thing if you're foraging later in the year. Make sort of jams or jellies or tonics or whatever out of them. So yeah, good all round useful plant, the old rose, and it looks nice as well. Another one there, hawthorn. That's another one where you can use the berries. You can make a syrup or a liqueur out of the berries, rich in vitamin C. Water on a bit more. That is beautiful. Yellow rattle and purple vetch. Absolutely pretty. What lives in there? Hear me with the wind noise and whatnot, but that was Gibraltar Point Nature Reserve. Damn good day out that was. Good morning out. Lots of interesting stuff, plants, birds, all sorts. Yeah. So yeah, if you're ever in Lincolnshire and you're looking for somewhere different to go, somewhere quiet, peaceful, not too many people about. It is starting to get a bit busy now. It's sort of late morning coming into early afternoon, so there's a lot of people turning up, but it's still lovely, quiet, tranquil. Just a place to be at one with nature, really. That's what it's all about. It's about getting out there in the fresh air, enjoying what Mother Nature has to offer. Yeah, it's what life is for, really. I think we tend to get caught up with trivial worries and things in life, and more often we need time like this. We need time to step back, just put the modern world behind us, just get out and enjoy nature, enjoy what the countryside has to offer, because it's got a lot. It's got a hell of a lot. I mean, look around you. It's beautiful. beautiful, and I don't think we appreciate it as much as we should. This is the thing. This is me gabbing now. I mean, I'm not one for great long speeches and that sort of thing, but honestly, it does do you the power of good to be out in the countryside like this and enjoying it. Just the fresh air, the bird song. I mean, if I shut up and listen to that, isn't it just incredible? With the birds behind me as well, seagulls up there. It is incredible. Yeah. So, and I know a lot of you like my train videos. You know, when I'm getting out with Iceni and visiting different railways, and you know, having a good time with that. But I do feel like I'm going to start moving away from that now, and I want to get more into the outdoor stuff. I used to love getting outdoors when I was younger. You know, I used to go wild camping in Scotland, and it was one of the best things in the world. And an old mate of mine I used to know, I've not spoken to him for years now, and I really need to get back in touch with him again. He used to come up with me to Scotland sometimes, and it would just, you know, you'd just be out there in the wilds. Cuckoo. Yeah, just saying I'm cuckoo. I probably am. Anyway, yeah, you just get out in the wilds and just enjoy being out in the wilds of Scotland. We used to go to Scotland camping by a lochside. You know, roaring campfire, a few beers, and just peace and tranquility. And it was just simple. You know, you unwind and be away from it all. I think we all need that. We definitely all need that. So, yeah, this is me being deep and meaningful, I know. Yeah, it's not my sort of thing really, but you know, you gotta have the odd moment, I suppose. But yeah, anyway, enough waffling. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like, that would be much appreciated, and leave us a comment. You know, I don't get many comments on my videos, and I do like to hope that I'm engaging with some of you guys out there, and you know, tell us what you think. God's sake, you know, as long as it's nice. I don't want any, you know, I don't want any nasty comments. You keep them to yourselves. But you know, if you've liked the video and for some reason you've liked it, tell me. Say, you know, tell your friends if you want to share it with your friends. Please do feel free. You know, that's what they're there for. Just, yeah. I don't know. Just, I say, I hope you are enjoying the videos. I know a lot of you like the railway ones, but I am going to be doing more outdoor ones. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I am going to be doing more outdoor videos. So I'm sorry to disappoint the train enthusiasts out there, but there's more to my life than trains, and I'm sure that's the same with a lot of you. So yeah, I'd like to get back out and do the outdoor camping again. I'm not getting any younger, and I want to get a few more adventures in before dementia. So yeah, and hopefully you'll join me on those. I'll be doing some videos, and yeah, you can get out there and enjoy them with me. Yeah, anyway, that's enough crap from me. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, I hope you liked the last one, the Lancaster video. That was a bit sort of thrown together really, because I was there more really enjoying the day out. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Give us a like, subscribe, share. Bye.